It was a place we all knew. It was the heart of the city. And then it was gone. Shuttered and sleeping for 28 years, it left an empty space that was more than physical. But now it's coming back. Better than before. Right now, today, the transformation is happening. From the ground up, it's designed to be a catalyst for change, innovation, interaction, creativity, commerce. A place where we can celebrate our past and shape our future. Many voices, one community, together. This time, this place.